Paano nag-work ang company dropshipping in 90 seconds? First, there are two types of dropshipping. One is the traditional and the second is the company dropshipping. Pag traditional dropshipping, ikaw gagawa ng website, ikaw hahanap ng manufacturing plant, at ikaw ang hahanap ng winning product. Sa company dropshipping, katulad dun sa akin, kami na ang bahala sa website, kami na ang bahala sa manufacturing plant, at kami na ang bahala sa winning product. So paano siya nag-work? Once na naging part ka na ng dropshipping namin, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong website. So technically speaking, ito yung client's view. So let's try Philippines. And as you can see, nakapangalan siya sa akin, King Mark Pinos. So automatic, ito yung makikita ng mga clients natin. Lahat ng mga products. Ayan. So automatic, mag-add to cart lang si client kung ano yung mga gusto niya dyan. Ayan. Meron din tayong Cocoa Barley for the kids. And as you can see, ayun na lahat ng products natin. Check out. Hihingiin yung email address, contact number. So dahil company dropshipping, si company ang tatanggap ng order, si company tatanggap ng bayad, si company ang magpa-packaging, si company ang magde-deliver. So darating na yung products just like this. Then automatic papasok yung income sa'yo. You can also monitor your portal's income. That's how you do company dropshipping.